Meet the M308, the newest addition to YAGEO Group's high-precision temperature sensing portfolio. The M308 is a wired platinum RTD designed for applications that demand exceptional accuracy, long-term stability, and ultra-small sensor geometries. Engineered according to DIN EN 60751, the M308 delivers precise temperature detection across a broad range from -70 to +500 degrees Celsius, with short-term exposure up to 550. You get fast response times, minimal drift over years of operation, and a linear signal characteristic that simplifies electronics design. The M308 is purpose-built for dynamic, high-precision environments including medical devices, wearables, solar systems, and high-density AI cooling servers. Discover more at YAGEOgroup.com. YAGEO Group, built into tomorrow.